Hi guys, back again, and my grandson and I have something to show you. It's a very small video. About 3 to 4 years ago, I believe, right Jonas? And we were down the shore and we were trying to make salad dressing. And when you're down the shore, you don't always get all the things that you need, so we forgot to buy vinegar. So I said, you know what? Let's see what we can do with lemons, garlic, and olive oil. And it's been a hit ever since. And my grandson knows ratio better than I do, so he said these were 4 large cloves of garlic, weren't they, Jonas? 4 large cloves of garlic, 4 large lemons. How much olive oil would you say?
Half cup.
About a half a cup of olive oil, salt and pepper, whisk it, blend it together. And not only, I thought of this tonight, I said not only is it good for a salad dressing, but if you have a steak or a pork chop or a lamb chop, this would be very tasty. Now, according to how you like lemon, I love lemon, my family loves lemons, but if you feel the ratio is too strong, then you can add less. Okay guys, we cut the garlic. My grandson did the lemons, so now we're going to add it, okay? And then we're going to whisk in the olive oil. Jonas, you want to put in some salt and pepper first?
Let's put the olive oil first.
Okay. He's the boss. This is mostly his recipe. Because I just throw things together, but he measures. It is absolutely delicious. They love it on salad. They all fight over it. Okay, honey. Okay. And now you're going to put your salt and pepper.
How much do you think?
Put a nice little handful.
Like that?
Yeah, a little bit more probably. A little bit more. That's good. And black pepper. It calls for, I like black pepper, so I would put more black pepper than anything. It's absolutely delicious. And I think, I've never done it because they finish it so fast. Yes. But I think if this stays overnight, that it marinates better, I think it's even more delicious. Here you are, honey. Okay. And he's just trying to blend it together. And that's it. That's your basic dressing. I would love to hear from you. I'd love for you to, put it on meats, fish, whatever you like. And please let me know if you like it. I enjoy doing this, and there's so many things people ask for. So I'd love your input. Please subscribe to my channel. My grandson and I love to see the remarks. Thank you so much. Have a good evening. Bye now.